Why you hate on me? Why you hate the J? Why you hating everyone is what we wanna say. Why you hating me? Why you hate the J? Why you hating everyone and what their music say? Why you hating me? Why you hate the J? Why you hating on me what I really wanna say? Why you hating me? Why you hate the J? Why you hating everyone and trying to grind today? Why you hating on me and I'm just a bumping music? The music over here to making people getting through it. They going through some good and they going through some bad. So now the YT hating and you now you feeling bad. So now I'm trying to put my music out. But now you over there, you trying to block me when I shout. I'm shouting out these other people, put them on a song. So now you hating me when we say we own a song and saying it, hey. Why you wanna hate the J? I'm doing everything and I'm doing things my way. I see you over there and you doing over here. Some people talking about you need to take a chill pill. You hating all the people putting out their own their music. Now you over there and you now you hate our music. The good and the bad, the popular and the growers. The people's over here that say you know I want some more. So why you hate my music and you want to hate me? You hating on my music and I put it on a beat. The beat is over here and we in the street. So YT, why you wanna hate on me? Saying, hey. So why you hating on the J? I'm over here to send I'm hating in my way. I'm talking about what I really wanna say. So why you over here you wanna go and hate on me? So YT taking everybody video, they're taking it down so you won't go, bro. They want you to see what you wanna know, but still I'm over here, we not taking it for show. We gonna talk about you putting you up on a song, because we don't like it, yeah, we put you on a song. So YT hating all the music in the world. So yes, I'm over here and I'm gonna tell the girls saying, hey, I'm saying the YT is hating, yo. I'm saying I'm doing this, I do the flow. I'm saying the YT is hating, yo. I'm about to go and do it with a flow. So YT is hating, but still I'm not singing it. I'm over here, though, but still I'm coming in. We talking about the YT trying to keep us down, but we gonna stand 10 toes to the ground. But still I'm telling you, but still this what we do. So now I'm over here, we bout to get it too. We gonna say it once or twice to all the time. Saying the YT is hating, but still I spit my rhyme. Get it?